Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be going over how to get better gas mileage on a truck with mud tires. So if you're watching this video, you might own a truck with big mud tires, and you probably know that as soon as you put big tires on your truck, the gas mileage goes down. So there's a few tips and tricks that I've learned since I've had mine on how to get better gas mileage. Number one, I would say get a cold air intake because it'll get you like 1 or 2 miles to the gallon here and there. Do some research on exhausts for your vehicle because certain exhausts will help you get better gas mileage, maybe 1 or 2. The third thing is a tonneau cover, because this allows for the air to come down like this instead of going into your bed. It's more of an aerodynamic thing. And the last thing that I would say for getting better gas mileage in your lifted truck or truck on mud tires is don't drive fast, because when you drive fast or accelerate or anything like that, your gas mileage is going to go down, which it's kind of self-explanatory because you're using more gas when you accelerate fast or do stuff like that. But that's a quick video, just a few tips on how you can get better gas mileage in your truck with mud tires or lifted or whatever. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. A lot more content coming, so catch you on the next video.